Okay, change court tayo. Dito tayo sa covered court ng LaSalle Green Hills. This is the battle between LaSalle Green Hills versus the Alabang San Beda. First tip off, mapupunta sa Alabang. First basket para sa Alabang. There's a foul. Oops, sorry, correction, out of bounds. Gets the three, no good. Basket by number 6. Steal. Number 13. Stand, and there's a foul. Basket is good. Second shot, no good. Bebelen with a putback. Let's go. Out of bounds. San Beda, Alabang basketball. Tan using the board, wala. There's a foul. Steal by Tan. Number 30. Strong drive. Out of bounds. Rain ball. And that's a traveling violation. Double zero. Abuanita. Strong drive. Basket by Abuanita. Guevara extra pass. Number 6. No good. Number 26. Loki. Setting on the peak. Loki attack the basket, and there's a foul. Abuanita, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Tan attacking the basket, no good. Rebound by Tan. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Abuanita. Oh, correction, Abuanita. Cruz, 4-3, no good. Correct me if I'm wrong. Substitution. Number 00, floater basket. By 0-0. Down by 1. Ayun na, advance pass number 16. What an extra pass to De Belen. Villegas, pass to Loki. Cruz. Pass to number 67. Steal by Tan. Pass to Tan. Attacking the basket. And there's a foul. Basket by Tan. Second shot. Basket is good. 11-6. Number 67. Pass to Tio. Villegas for 3. No good. Rebound by number 26. Number 00, floater, no good. Offensive rebound. Blocked there by number 16. Out of bounds. Villegas, pass to Cruz. Cruz with the cross. Strong drive, blocked there by San Beda. Tan, hinahabol ni Tio. All the way by Tan. Number 67. Pass to Cruz. Setting on the play. Tio, Loki. Strong drive, looking for his teammate. And that's a traveling violation. Tan. Outlet pass. The guy is a pass to Tan all the way. Abonita with the ball. Abonita. Pass to Tan. Side step. No good. Rebound by Abonita. There's a foul. Villegas looking for his teammate. Naka-recover. Bad pass. Steal ng San Beda. Tan, top of the key for 3. Yes! Para sa 3. By Tan. Let's go, Lasal. Abonita nagmamadali. Abonito with the side step and there's a foul. Tio maglalabas dito ng bola. Tatanggap si Abonita. Setting on the play. Pass to Tio. Pinagay sa corner. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound number 25. Number 1, nagmamadali. Number 1, dire-diretso. Block by Abonita. Not on my home. Sabi ron ni Abonita. Time out. Okay, back to the ball game. With official score is 18-6 in favor of the San Beda Alabang. In and out. Rebound na number 26. Abonita. Back to Abonita. Number 7. Nasa corner. Step back to Ree. No good. Rebound by number 8. Oh, correction. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Number 7, kick out. Number 16, jump shot, no good. 26, hot pass. Steal, Abonita, and there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 00, Abonita. Time remaining, last 37 seconds sa ating first quarter. First shot para kay Abonita is good. Abonita on second try, no good. Rebound, number 11, pass to. What an extra pass to number 1. Nakalusot doon. Lumalaki ang kalamangan ng San Beda. Let's go, Lasal. Abonita with the cross. Pinasa. Number 7. Bounce pass. Number 26. Ooh. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng San Beda Alabang. Time remaining. Last 10 seconds. 10.11 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng San Beda Alabang. Ayan na. 8, 7, 6, 5. Number 11. No good. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. End of the first quarter. Official score 27 in favor of the visiting team, ang San Beda Alabang. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating second quarter.
Kailangan namin, minsan may technique yan eh, minsan ganun yung wala siya. Barat lang isang tao, kapawis lang. Red!
Second quarter, let's go. Alusot si Pan. Hernandez. Oh, Martinez. Pass to Martinez. What a drop pass. Ooh, no good. There's a foul. Balahadia on the free throw area. Jersey number 55. First shot para kay Balahadja is good. Safety lang po. Second shot para kay Balahadja. Oh, good. Ayun na, outlet pass. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Bola ng LaSalle Green Hills. Abonita. Setting on the play. Pass to number 7. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Tan. Uy, nakalusot si Tan. Let's go, LaSalle. Oopsie, out of bounds. Step back 3, no good. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Beda. Tan. Side step floater is good. Low kick Cruz. Atake, what an extra pass to Balahadja. Assisted by Low-Key Cruz. Down by 16. De Belen attack the basket using the glass. No good. Rebound by Balahadja. Pass number 7. Number 7 nagmamadali. Ayan na. Number 7 spin. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Cruz. Cruz with a floater. Basket is good. Baba sa 14 ang lamang ng San Beda. Another steal by Balahadja. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, nagay kay number 7. What an extra pass to Loki. Assisted by number 7. Down by 12. Ayun na. Tan nagmamadali. Nabitawan. What a hassle there by number 7. Kick out. Steal by Loki. And step in on the line by Cruz. Bola rito ng bola rito ng San Beda. Tan, pass to Tan, number 13, no good. Jump ball. Bola rito ng Green Hills. Cruz. Guy. Balahadja, naka-recover. Number 7 with the ball. Number 7 with a strong drive. Uy, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ng San Beda. De Belen, pass to Tan. Tan, atake. Tan. Naipit. Steal by number 7. Outlet pass to Cruz. Cruz, nagmamadali. Attacking the basket using the glass. Humihingi ng tawag. Pero walang tawag doon ng ating referee. Time out. San Beda, Alabang. Official score is 26-16. Baba sa 10 ang kalamangan ng San Beda, Alabang. Uy! 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Masagod ako. San Beda Alabang basketball. Tan, pass to De Belen. Pass to Tan. Tan, binigay sa corner. Tan na atake. Ooh, steal by Loki. What a block there by Lasal. Cruz, derecho, short. Rebound by number 16. Miscommunication para sa mga nakapula. Cruz setting on the play from elbow 3. Yes, para sa 3 by Loki. Cruz. And there's a traveling violation. Balahaja, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Tan, atake. Ooh, there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 6, Tan.
Let's go.
Oh, good. Tan using the board. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lasal. Number 7. Waiting for his teammate. Pass to Cruz. Setting on the play. Binigay sa corner. Number 7. Attacking the basket. Block. And that's a stepping on the line. Tan choosing the board, wala, rebound. Out of bounds. Loki, Cruz, steal. Nang walang tawag ang ating referee. Tan, all the way. Let's go, Lasal, bawi. Pabasa. Balik sa 9 ang Kalamangan. And that's a traveling violation. Number 25. Nakitawi dito, waiting for his teammate. Tan from elbow 3. Basket is good. Tan. Pass to number 16. To number 67. Pass to number 16. And that's a traveling violation. San Beda Alabang basketball. Tan. Oopsie. Tan na atake. Derecho. Wala. Number 23. Wala pa rin. Rebound. What a slip there. Walang tawag. But at this time may tawag na. There's a foul. Cruz, pinasa corner, number 18, jump shot, too strong. Rebound ng San Beda. Tan all the way, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to Cruz. What a nice pass! Number 67. Down by 10. Oh, another steal. Number 16. Bounce pass to Cruz. Block there, pero may tawag na foul. Time remaining, last 31 seconds. Bola rito ay ng LaSalle Green Hills. Ooh, bad pass. Steal ng San Beda. Number 17. Oy, in and out. Rebound by number 30. Ay na, nagagawan. Binasulob. Attacking the basket. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining, last 15 seconds. Time out dito ang LaSalle Green Hills. Back to the ball game. Cruz. Sidestep using the glass. Wala. There we go. That's San Beda. That's a no basket. Wala daw pong basket yun, hindi na umabot sa oras. Okay, official score, 31-21. At the half, magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Shout out tayo sa inyong mga comment section. Tara, basa tayo. Happy viewing, Noah Zamora. Shout out sa'yo. Congratulations, Noah Zamora, for winning the matchup kanina sa laban against the Claret School. And a shoutout din kay Sogin Kate. Sabi niya, let's go San Beda Alabang. And also kay Arvin Caballero. Sabi niya, go Beda, beat LaSalle. Ayan, parang puro mga taga San Beda ang nating nasa comment section. Come on guys, let's do the shoutout sa ating comment section. At sisigapin nating mabasa yan. Let's go Animo LaSalle. We have a 36 seconds remaining para sa ating pagsisimula ng third quarter. Lamang ng 10 ang San Beda. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo dyan ang LaSalle Green Hills para depensahan ang home team dito sa Paya Basketball League. Ups. That's the second question. Brad, I love it.
tapos dito, uwi ka na.
Number 7. basket. Number 26. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Mayan, okay, Jing, okay, Jing. 1,
Number 7.
2,
Martinez, binigay sa corner. Abonita. Abonita, bounce pass. Number 67. Wala, rebound. Steal by Martinez. Let's go, Martinez. Martinez with the floater basket. Ayan na, mahabol na tayo. Down by 12. 10. Wala, rebound. Let's go, Lasal. Abonita nagmamadali. Abonita with a floater and there's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Shooting at the line of jersey number 00. Abonita. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound, makakuha ng Lasal. Oh, sorry, that's Sanbeda. Umatake. Steal by number 26. The Cruz. Cruz and one. Basket count and one. By Loki Cruz. Official score po natin 28-38. Pwede mo yan sa ating referee, sa ating official. Cruz with a 3-point play, down by 9. 29-38. Ayan na, bounce pass number 30. Nakasagot doon ang Sanbeda. Lasal, Green Hills Basketball. Cruz setting on the play. Cruz gets the 3, no good. Rebound number 67. Pass to Abonita from the corner, short. Rebound makukuha ng Sanbeda. Tan, bounce pass to Tan. Uy, what a nice connection from both Tan. Abonita. Pass to Martinez. Back to Abonita. To Cruz. Pinas sa loob. Uy, nakalibre doon. Si number 67. Baba sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Sanbeda. Ayan na ang pressure defense. Oh, steal by Martinez. 3 against 1. Martinez with a side step. No good. Offensive rebound by Cruz. No good. Rebound ng Sanbeda. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Tandere-derecho. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to Martinez. Martinez to Abonita. Abonita with a fork shot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Ayan na ang double team and has a jump ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Martinez with an inbound. Pass to Cruz. Cruz gets the 3. No good. Rebound by De Belen. Outlet pass. Steal by Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. Cruz with a side step. Binigay. Balahaja, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, ayan na ang triple team. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 30. Number 30, pass to Tan. Tan. Binigay kay Tan. Waiting for his teammate from elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Ayun na ang Lasal. Outlet pass. Binigay kay Martinez. Pass to Cruz. Cruz sidestep. Tumira. And there's a foul. Timeout. Lasal Green Hills. With the time remaining 1 minute and 29 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng ating coach sa Lasal Green Hills. Official score 31-42. With the 11-point lead para sa San Beda, Alabang. Alright, back to the ball game. Let's go, Anemo Lasal. Shooting for 2, jersey number 24. Loki Cruz, sorry. First shot para kay Loki, basket. Tab. Baba sa 10. Second shot, 2 for 2 para kay Loki Cruz. One minute and 29 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola dito ng San Beda, Alabang. Uy, number 30. Grabe ang mindset na. Nakita mo agad yun. Na libre-libre ang kanyang kakampi dun. Martinez. Abonita. Pass to Martinez. Martinez with a low pick-up. Tumira. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by Balhaja. Balhaja nilabas. Pass to Martinez. To Cruz. Cruz from elbow 3. Yes, sir. 3 point by Loki Cruz. Ayan na. Pinagay sa corner. Babawi dito. Tan with the side step. Block there. Makukuha ng San Beda, Alabang. Time remaining. Last 40 seconds. 40 seconds remaining para sa third quarter. Tan. Oopsie, there's a foul. Shooting in the line, jersey number 13, Tan. First shot para kay Tan is good. Let's go, Anemo Lasal. Second shot para kay Tan. 2 for 2. Balik ang kalamangan sa 10. Last 37 seconds remaining. Bola ng Lasal. Abonita, pass to Cruz. Cruz, nakatawid. Cruz sa atake. What an extra pass. No good. Rebound by Nabdebelen. Makukuha ni Abonita. Abonita with the cross. Abonita with the side step. Oy, wala. Rebound. Makukuha ng San Beda. Number 1. Nagmamadali. Number 1. What a steal by Abonita. Pero naka-recover. Steal by Cruz. Ayan na, Cruz. Nagmamadali. Cruz. Side step to Balhaja. And there's a foul. 4.6 seconds remaining. Balahaja shooting for 2. Oh, no good. Let's go, Balahaja. Made 1. Second shot para kay Balahaja. Wala. Rebound. Oopsie. Last 2 seconds. 2.55 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Lasal. Ayan na, titira dito. Sino? Martinez. Oh, steal! And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 46-36. 10-point lead para sa San Beda Alabang. Okay, tayo dadako na sa pinaka-exciting part ng laro, ang fourth and final quarter. Let's go, Animal Lasal. Bola rito ng San Beda. Tan. Pinasa loob, back to Tan. Tan, sidestep using the glass basket. Cruz, steal by Tan. Steal by Cruz. Pass to Martinez. Martinez with an extra pass to Mira, and that's side traveling. Tan. Pinasa loob, number 1. Time out, Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 9 minutes. Sa ating fourth final quarter. Cruz. Pass to Balahaja, short. Rebound by number 77. Number 26. Okay, sa corner, Martinez, short. Number 1. Uy. Cruz, side step, no good. Number 7 to Tan. Tan using their body to attack the basket. It's good. Cruz. Pass to Abonita. Bounce pass to number 28. Number 26 using the board. Nakalusot. Nice shot by number 26. That is Yao. Ayan na, number 25. Hook shot, no good. Rebound. Jai Abonita. Abonita binigay sa corner. Martinez, pass to Jai. Binigay sa corner. Martinez, drop pass to Yao. Out of bounds. Oops, steal. And reverse layup, no good. Rebound. Number 57, pass to Martinez. Steal again. Uy. That's a double dribble. And ang double team steal by Cruz. Cruz, nagmamadali. Cruz, dire-diretso. Block by Tan. Pinabot si Loki dun. And walang tawag ang ating referee. Yao. Number 67, jump shot, in and out, rebound by Yao. No good. Yao, pass to Abonita. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Steal. Number 67, pass to Jai. No good. Steal. Cruz, up and under. Nakalusot si Cruz. Tan. Ito sa foul. Steal. Oops. Rep. Natamaan. Dito kasi. Dito. Dito yun. Dumaan. Kanina to. Sa Lourdes ata, tanong mo sa Lourdes. Kanina to? Guys, matamaan nyo ulit ha. Oga. Number 16, no good. Let's go defense. Kick out. No good. Cruz to number 67. No good. Ayun na, nagagawa. Naka-recover ang San Beda. Time. Cruz. Pass to Teo. Villegas, no call. Fines. Kick number 1. Basket. Teo Villegas. Pass number 16. Stop and pump. Oops. No good. Ayun na. Out that pass. Number 6. Wala. Tan with the putback. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Take a shot, no good. Oopsie. Good. One minute and 34 seconds. Uy, good hustle by Teo. Let's go, Teo. Ayun na ang double team. Uy, nagagawan. Ito mo si Idol. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ang ating Lasal. Correction, official score is 40-61. Teo Villegas. Steal. Outlet pass number 30. Tumatake, wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by number 77. Number 16. Centeno. Floater, in and out, rebound. Grabe naman yan. Daming fans si number 21 ah. Number 21 in the free throw area. Second shot by number 21. Basket is good. Let's go, Villegas. Teo, 4-3, short. Number Number 21, and there's a foul. Last 7 seconds remaining. Second shot, no good. Oopsie. And that's the end of our game. Okay, what a nice game from both teams. Our final score 62-40. Congratulations to our winning team, the San Beda Alabang. And a nice game para sa ating LaSalle Green Hills. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat ng ating live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Nakita-kita po tayo for our next game. Our final score 62-40. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po.